All righty, 4 o'clock. How's everybody doing? Not as many people here again. So I posted the solutions. If you go to solutions here, midterms, then the solutions are here. I did it just before I got here, so nobody would discover it. There may be somebody writing right now, but after the class, I can post what marks people got, because it was all automatically. Any questions about anything? Yeah. So the plan with the exam is it won't be multiple choice, and there are 3 professors, and we'll all submit questions, and hopefully we'll agree on them. And if not, then there could be some questions that one section writes and different questions that other sections write. Did that answer your question? There will be, if I were to guess, the bulk of the exam will be common between all 4 sections, and there will be the odd question that a given section writes. That's my understanding. I did chat with Jackie today about other things, but he said we should start talking about the exam. And I said, yes, we should. That's all I got for you. Yes. Yes. Right. Yeah. Yeah, what's your answer to that question? You've also been doing these coding assignments. There's another one coming up. Have people looked at it? Does it look okay? What's the problem? Do you know? All right, well, when is it due? Wednesday. Like this Monday. Oh, well, if somebody wants to talk to me about it, they better do it now. I haven't looked at it. Have you looked at it? Hmm? Yeah. Right. Oh, depth. Right. Doing what to the tree? All right. All right. Well, yeah. What? I mean, so what sort of, how might you have more than one primitive operation in one line? But aren't they doing big O? They're not counting. Really? They're having it tomorrow, yeah. Huh. Well, I think in terms of big O, so the fact that there are 2 on this line just doesn't matter, right? if you have 10 lines of code within the loop, then I would say it's a constant. And then it's a matter of how many times around the loop you go. Well, you know, and how do you feel about questions coming out of the programming assignments? You seemed that you didn't want them. Right. Right. So here's another question. Which do you prefer? Right. As opposed to PowerPoint slides? Right. As opposed to having things come in with the PowerPoint. I feel like I kind of animated it once and then we can go through it. I guess the theory, you know, doing it focus on loop invariance versus focused on code. I don't know. Why don't you guys keep thinking about it, and we'll start talking to Jackie about it, and we'll figure out what's going to happen. I'm not a big coder. I probably shouldn't tell you this, but I got 3 degrees in computer science without writing a single working program. All right, should we continue on with balanced trees? Yeah. Right. How to rotate the code? Well, I mean, I've flashed up code and said people want to go over this code and right, right, right. I could work on finding that. I haven't done that yet. You know, I guess I'm just not a believer in one program. You know, Java, you got to learn the notation, but it all boils down to the same. All righty. So yeah, holler when you want more talk about. Where's my mouse here? Do we have?